Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the clearance tool deals, power tool deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. So lots of interesting what we found on this, especially starting here. $3.99 Eagle 56 volt mower, push mower. That's actually really good for considering the price for $400 for what you're getting. Top of the line Eagle with some nice headlights, some nice wheels, and just a really nice mower, top of the line mower brand. 21-inch deck. You look at their next model up at this store. Actually, it's $200 more. $569. So that's really expensive. It is the self-propelled, but you're paying $200 for the self-propelled. And then this one's $499. It's $500. You're not even getting the headlights. So it's just a give and take on the mowers. That $400 mower is actually not too bad. It's actually pretty good. Alright, you got the Skill here on sale. Then we got the Greenworks here on clearance from 99 down to 79.37. 1600 psi. That's pretty much what it looks like. It's like a little cart where you can store all the stuff in the back. Really nice. Does have some accessories. You got a 40-degree turbo nozzle. You got a soap dispenser there, a soap cannon. Alright, so you got the 1800 psi combo kits. Is $99, was $178. So this is 1800 psi. So definitely check it out. $199 for the Craftsman 4-gallon. Yeah, guys, this is a new backpack sprayer from Craftsman. I've never seen it before. It's the first time I see it. So I always see the Cobalts. And now I guess they have Craftsman. So it's very interesting how they're doing their advertising here and their new design of the backpack sprayer. Alright, so they got this one on clearance, $15.24. This is the clearance section. Down from $30, from $30.48. It's a Black & Decker string trimmer. You got a Torpedo level here. $10, down from $12.98. Then you got the Highlands griddle. It's a pretty nice griddle here. $40.99 regular price, down to $20.49. So about 50% off. Then you got this Earwing straight line chalk. $4.90 down for $5.98. So basically $1 off. Then you got this one down to $3.57. So I don't know if it's the same one or just different, but that one's cheaper. You got the Lufkin 25 feet 2-pack, $14.98 down from $19.98. This is not the Night Eye. This is just a regular 25-foot tape measures. Alright, then they got the 20-volt reciprocating saw bearer tool, $83. Hopefully it'll drop these in price. And they are brushless, by the way. They're just rebranding their brand, basically. And I got this one for $23. Was regular price $29. Really nice complete kit. It does have some black oxide drill bits, some 1-inch bits, 40-piece total, Bosch. Really nice see-through case. Alright, they got this one $15.98. It's a 9-inch Magneto torpedo level. I'm not really a fan of that color of the levels there. Then they got this one. This one I was surprised. It seems like somebody reused it and returned it, but I was looking at the box. Looks dirty, like some mechanic got it, but it's actually sealed. So and it's scanned for $74, I believe. This one's down to $25. I did forget to pick one of these up, and the store is like across town, so I missed out on that one. And I'm in that battery platform, so I did miss out on that one. So $19 for the energizer, and then they got this retractable tethering. For the tools, the power tools, up to 5 pounds, $14.97, down from $59. You got this 11-piece Craftsman set, on clearance for $17. I believe I saw these for $10. I don't know if it was Ace Hardware or Lowe's, but I saw them for $10 on Black Friday. You got 119 there, down from 199, so 216 pieces. That's a really good deal on this one. They got the Craftsman 63 piece, 3/8 drive, $49.98. And they got the 105 piece, $79.98, down from $119. It's a really nice set. 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 mechanics tool set. They got some ramps here. So really nice high quality ramps, down from $176 to $88 on clearance. Definitely check it out. These are nice quality loading ramps. They are folding too. And then they got these guys. They got a whole bunch of bits on clearance. Bosch 1237. It's not this one. It's actually the one next to it with the 5 pieces. You got the 1-inch cordless auger for $7.97. They didn't have any there. This is another kit that they had, the 40 piece, $19.98. And it got some reciprocating saw blades, 9-inch, $15. Thick metal. So those are supposed to be the good ones. They got the circ saw blade, 40 tooth, edge, $6.77. So 7 1/4 40 tooth. Alright, they got the reciprocating saw, or circular saw, my bad. $74 from $79. 7 1/4. Metabo. And they got some 80-gallon compressor, 2-stage air compressor, $16.49 for that one. That's a belt driven. $7.69 for the 60-gallon compressor. And then they got this electrician's tool pouch, $39 down from $45. 20 pockets. So if you need a tool bag for your electric equipment for the house or for your DIY stuff, there you go. Yeah, guys, first time I see one of these turtles open. That's the way it looks. They got the bandsaws, blades on clearance. So I'm not going to go through all of them. There's a whole bunch here. So I'm just showing you guys what they all look like. They got some clamps. Really nice quality clamps here. 44 down to $37.98 from Craig. Got some more over here. So if you guys do a lot of woodworking, $37.98, 6-inch, $34.98 for the 3-inch. Then you got these, the Apex U-Guard drywall bit kit, $3.97. I did actually forget to pick one of these up. I was going to compare it to the Cobalt. It's actually pretty nice. Oh, and then they got these. These are insulators. I never seen these before. So these are for impact wrenches or for ratchets or whatever you want to put on. This is a 1/2 inch. So if you're working near electricity and you don't want to risk it, so this is a great little device you guys can use. They got the 3/8, the 1/2 inch. It's $14.98 for the 1/2 inch adapter. They got $13.98 for the 3/8. $12.98 for the 1/4. And then they got the hex there at the end. So that's the 1/4 inch there. And then that's the hex, the 1/4 inch hex. Alright, they got this one on clearance. This is a infrared thermometer. Big shout out to DOTM6. They actually posted this before everybody else. $26.54. You got the Craftsman telescoping, $34.98. These are on clearance. That's actually the second one I can find. $9.98 for the Cobalt 8-inch long nose pliers. $1 off basically, down from $10.98. Not too bad. And then they got this Cobalt Toolbox. 649. It's a 41-inch black tool chest combo. And then they got this one. This is a 3-drawer utility tool cart. Still 159, down from 199. It's a 30.5 inch. Then they got this one on clearance, guys. It actually has some depth in it. $100. That's actually really good for this one. But to the left there, it does have some dents. It's hard to see on the camera, but yeah, it is dented and on the bottom there, if you guys do see. The drawers are fine. That's the first thing I looked at. The drawers are fine. If you guys want to find any of these tools, this store is located in Scottsdale. I believe it's Bell Road and 101, around there, around that area. So make sure if you guys are after any of these items, make sure here in the Phoenix, Arizona area, you guys could go and find it at that store. All these deals. $529. This is was regular price $629. Does come with a nice stand. This is a 10-inch job site table saw. And then, guys, this is the way it looks on the. Make sure you guys look at the Bosch section. A lot of stuff on clearance. They still got these deals. The buy one get one free. So you buy any of these tools and you get yourself a free starter pack with 2 batteries. And that's the SDS hammer. They got the impact wrenches and the impact drivers. And they got this one on clearance, a single range. 60 to 600 volts. $12.98 down from $14.88. My bad. $14.98 down from $19.98. Socket tester. It does tell you the codes there. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.